Or, why do over 60% of internet users pick Chrome as their browser? Maybe it's the speed, maybe it's the style. Let's get you set up and see what all the buzz is about. First, open any web browser. Edge is already waiting for you. Head to the Google Chrome website. Click that big, shiny Download Chrome button. Don't worry, your computer won't explode. Just follow the simple prompts to save the file. Pause with a smile. Once it's downloaded, find the file, usually in your Downloads folder. Double-click it. If Windows asks, "Are you sure?" just click Yes. Now grab a sip of water while Chrome works its magic. When it's done, Chrome pops open automatically. You're officially a Chrome user. Want to make Chrome your go-to browser? Head to Windows Settings, find Default Apps, and pick Chrome for your web adventures. That's it. You've just installed Chrome on Windows 11. Easy, right? Give yourself a high five and start browsing.